A software system specially designed to create educational contents is termed a Learning Management System (LMS). The impact of the digital era is increasing every day and giving impeccable results. Similarly, the digital learning mediums are evolving in organizations and academic institutions. The e-learning market is expected to grow in a completely different way with the integration of tech platforms in every sphere. According to a new market research report, LMS is expected to grow over $15.72 billion in 2021. Driving leads as clients is the most important task in learning management system website. But influencing huge traffic to the site is not an easy task too. To make the site more engaging and visible, we need to put a lot of preparation and efforts. We'll discuss some of the steps in which we can bring visitors to our site and boost traffic with digital marketing in following topic. Quality content generates leads for LMS. As per the research by Content Marketing Institute, it is found that 80% of buyers like to use academic content instead of ads in the digital mediums. It will take some time to create valuable content for the site, but if we try to produce compelling content from the beginning, it will ensure a massive hike in our site's traffic. Continuous updates on the website will increase the online presence, and reliable information will make people trust and believe the brand, which will help in bringing more traffic to our site. We can produce various contents which inspire people, such as blogs, infographics, case studies, videos and exciting reports. Appropriate keywords will bring audience. Search engines use keywords for optimization. Based on these keywords, they will segregate the SERP search engine results page. When we use popular keywords, there is a higher chance for our web page to come into the top results, and it will be easy for people to find our site. To find the best keyword for our platform, we can use different tools such as SEMrush, SERPs, Moz, and Google Keyword Planner. There is much scope if we use long-tail phrases and keywords to be in a competitive position. Email automation. Engaging the audience with email is the most profitable way of diverting them to come back to our site. Sending a request doesn't give the benefits of leads. We need to engage them with articles, blogs and usable information. When they are interested in reading about some topic, we can ask them to sign up to read our articles and information. This technique will protect them in privacy policy too. Once we build our customer source through email list, from then, we need to send them e-newsletters updating clients about the most important things that are going on in our industry. Including CAT call to action feature will make us earn a lot of leads. Responsive design for user experience. The last decade was a smartphone revolution, with everyone depending on their smartphones to stay connected and up to date. That is why it has become essential for the websites to be responsive for mobile phones. Otherwise, the user-friendly experience won't be there, and people won't be interested in accessing the website. That creates a significant impact on website traffic. Benefits uses of social media. Business to Customer Point of Learning Management System (LMS), a Spark report stated that 41% of individuals before purchasing any product on the internet look for them on social media. There are 3.5 billion people on social networks. If your target market is full of educational institutions, then social media is the best place for engaging audience and attracting them towards your site. Backlinks used for top position. Using backlinks is an excellent way to be on the top of Google search result page. The more number of sites using backlinks, the more it will help your site to get more traffic. The more reliable your site on other sites, the more traffic we will get. The best way to place your backlinks on other website is posting blogs on other websites in the same sector. We may ask others to post our blogs in their sites. If we join, more traffic will get generated to our site with backlinks. Testimonials activate interest as well as traffic. Customers look for examples, and they believe the real experiences of customers in the learning management system. It is essential to showcase customers' testimonials to get a lot of attention in the audience. We can ask customers to leave their review in the email link, and it is an easy process. Concluding. If we are dedicated to building a strong learning management system website, we need to adopt the above-mentioned strategies to get heavy traffic. The strategies above will transform to build inbound marketing strategies. Later, they will become marketing mix techniques because of the content's engagement strategy to pull visitors to our website. Learning management system can get leads through a lot of traffic and maximize the business results within months by using digital marketing. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.